First theory, Thorndike's trial and error learning theory. Edward Lee Ted Thorndike was an American psychologist who spent nearly his entire career at Teachers College, Columbia University. The theory was the scientific foundation for modern educational psychology. This theory, called as connectionism and behaviorism, a trial is defined by length of time or number of errors committed in a single reaching of the goal. According to him, the law of effect is the basic principle of learning. Look at this. Thorndike's experiment. He placed a hungry cat in the bushel box, a piece of fish in a dish was kept outside the box. The box would be opened by correctly manipulating a latch. On seeing the fish, the cat became restless and made frantic efforts such as biting, clawing, and dashing. The wall before the latch moved accordingly, and the door opened. Look at this. Bushel box, pedal, latch, bolt, and cat. Some more box. This is a first bushel box was used by the Thorndikes for their experiment. Look at this. Cat display different types of behavior and effect to reach the goal. On the subsequent trials, such incorrect responses, biting, clawing, and dashing, are gradually stamped out, and cat took less time on them. Look at this graphical representation. X-axis trials, Y-axis time. Look here, in second. In the beginning, take more time and gradually reducing the time. After a few trials, the cat was found to have eliminated all the wasteful movements, errors, and it operated the mechanism latch with considerable ease in the first attempt itself. Look at this cat. The experiment shows that learning is simply selecting and connecting the correct response given stimulus by a process of progressive reduction of incorrect responses and stamping in the correct response through trial and error. Characteristics of trial and error learning. First character, motive arise in the form of need. Second, make different kinds of response. 3. Progressive elimination of the unsuccessful form of activity. 4. Progressive integration and establishment of the response by the goal is achieved. Thorndike's laws of learning. First, law of readiness, ready to conduct. Second, law of exercise, modifiable connection. 3. Law of effect, strength increase when followed by dissatisfying state. Limitations of Thorndike's theory of learning. First, cognitive skill not concerned. Second, only for motor learning. 3. Not true in the case of complex and high order learning. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.